Welcome to the HerdTrack installation guide. We'll walk you through the steps to install your HerdTrack system, ensuring optimal performance and reliable operation. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools and components ready. 1 HerdTrack scanner, 1 complete scanner mount bracket, 1 complete solar panel, 2 spanners, 4 diagnostic tags. Step 1. Install the scanner mount bracket to the back of the scanner. Position the scanner mount bracket against the back of the scanner. Align the mounting holes and insert the provided screws. Using a spanner, tighten the screws until the bracket is firmly secured. Step 2. Attach the mount bracket to the solar panel. Place the 50 mm solar panel mount bracket on the back of the solar panel. Align the holes, insert the screws and tighten them with a spanner. Ensure the bracket is securely attached. Step 3. Connect the antenna to the scanner. Locate the antenna port on the scanner. Screw the antenna onto the port and tighten gently. Step 4. Mount the scanner to the upright pole. Choose the location for installation and ensure the scanner faces the direction of animal movement. Use the provided tool to secure the mount bracket to the upright pole. Step 5. Mount the solar panel. Position the solar panel on the 50 mm upright pole, facing north to maximize sun exposure. Secure it in place using the provided tool. Make sure the panel is stable and well orientated. Step 6. Plug the solar panel into the scanner. Locate the power input on the scanner. Connect the solar panel cable firmly into the power port. Ensure the connection is secure for consistent power flow. Step 7. Run diagnostics. The scanner automatically turns on with connection to power supply. Use the diagnostic tags to test signal strength. Check the battery status to confirm it's receiving and holding a charge. Make sure the solar panel is effectively powering the unit. Make any necessary adjustments for optimal performance. Regular maintenance is essential for long-term reliability. Need assistance during installation? Contact HerdTrack. The office number 018-523-0555. The mobile number 063-745-5648. Thank you for choosing HerdTrack. Precision in every step.